on, buddy. I'll show you the real adventure now.
Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel Swami Vijay, and this is Swami Vijay speaking to all. Today I am going to Coorg. It is also called Kodagu. It is located in Western Ghats, and I am going to camp tonight in the Coorg, in the middle of the dense forest. And I am going to show you the rides. Actually, I started journey from Bangalore morning around 5:30. I crossed Channarayapatna. Now I am going to Holesapura and Arikegodu. After that I have to go to Madikeri. So the moment I enter into the thick Western Ghats, a dense forest, I'll start shooting the video. Okay, so keep watching this video. I'll be continuing this video and I'll give you the shooting of the video of the bike ride, and I'm going to reach one Buddhist monastery also, and after that I'm going to stay in a camp where I'm going to stay in a tent, and we may be possibly having campfire, and so I'll meet you there afterwards. So stay with me.
Hi everybody, I crossed Kushal Nagar. Now I am going to reach Madikeri. After Madikeri there is one what called night camping site is there. So I'll shoot the entire video from here to that place. And I thought of visiting even one monastery, Buddhist monastery also. So let me see if I can visit that monastery. I'll show you that monastery also. Otherwise I'll directly go to the campsite. So this is the route from Bangalore to Madikeri. I crossed Channarayapatna, Arikedu, then Kushal Nagar, and now I am going to Coorg, Madikeri. But in between, if I get a chance, I'll visit the Golden Temple and I'll show you the Golden Temple also. So let us start the ride. The weather is awesome. Let me pack. See here, the luggage is not proper. Rough side Bangalore morning. Now it has come to this side. So let me adjust. We have to adjust the luggage. Okay, so it's ready. Now let's rock.
From Kushal Nagar to Madikeri, it will take almost all 45 minutes to 1 hour. It depends upon the traffic, and the road condition is very good. So let me drive fast and you enjoy the beauty of the Western Ghats from Kushal Nagar to Madikeri. You can see here the person is surprised to see the Java bike on these roads. Of course, Java bike, a Java 42 is not comparable with Royal Enfield Bullet or Classic, but Java is Java. You can drive Java anywhere and you can take Java anywhere. So here people get surprised to see Java on these roads, and Java is not having any problem to ride on these roads. And overtake this. No. It's wrong. I should never overtake any vehicle while driving in corners. That's completely wrong. You never do that. Never do that. Never do that when you are riding a bike. Don't overtake any vehicle in corners. That's completely wrong. Here, see, I should not overtake in the corners, but maybe the adrenaline hit me so high, so I couldn't control myself. I'm driving, of course, carefully, but sometimes I lose control because the beauty of Western Ghats and the beauty of this road take me completely away. But I try to live in the present. I try to focus. But okay, now let's enjoy the beauty of the Western Ghats without my disturbance. Here you can see the amazing beautiful places. This is a small town, I suppose, or a hamlet located in the middle of the Western Ghats. While coming to this place, there was a signboard that no parking in those areas are on that road. That means I cannot stop, and here you can see it's a very small and beautiful town. So let me cross this town quickly, and then let me take you to Madikere. Madikere is the city or town which I have to reach, and from there I have to go to the camping site. So let me pass through this small hamlet or town quickly. The traffic is not so heavy, so let me drive slowly, but let me go fast now. Let me go. You enjoy the beauty of this town, a small hamlet. See the beauty of these houses. I like this kind of structure of houses. And see both the sides, the left and right side, the road is completely filled with greenery. And this is the beauty of traveling or riding a bike inside the forest area in the Western Ghats. So you enjoy the beauty. I'll also enjoy watching the beauty of the Western Ghats. I have to overtake this bus, but it's not so easy. Actually, I did a mistake of overtaking a car in the corner. We should never overtake any vehicle in a corner because that is very dangerous. So let me ride, but if I get a chance, then I'll definitely overtake because I don't want to be behind KSRTC. Okay, so this is one more small maybe a hamlet. Here you can see the spices. There are so many shops en route. They sell spices and Coorg honey. So if you visit this place, try to purchase spices and the special Coorg honey from these stores. The corners are quite exciting here. Let me slow down and let me watch the beauty and let me drive. See what a beautiful place. I don't know what it is called in Hindi. सिर्फ I know only one thing, क्या नज़ारा है. आप लोग ये नज़ारा को देख लीजिए. See the turns, curves, turns and twists. Let me drive carefully. After almost 45 to 50 minutes drive, I suppose I have reached Madikere. Yes, this is the entrance of Madikere or Madikere Coorg. So yes, in map also it is showing Madikere, and yes, this is the town of Madikere. So let me go and let me see actually how to go to that Coorg camping Jolly Boys. When I checked in Google Map, I suppose it is like 10 or 12 kilometers away from Madikere. So here, okay, let me see the map. Okay, now I have to take the left turn from this place. So once I take the left turn, then I have to travel 10 more kilometers to reach the camping site.
Come on, buddy. I'll show you the real adventure now.